So my next video coming up, a bunch of the sound got corrupted, so I had to overdub it. So I had to go back in and do overdub on about 90% of the video. So that's why you don't see sound and stuff. That's what's wrong with it.
Don't you hate that? Me too. We're going to try to fix it right now. So yeah, the shocks on these back glass of this car does work. The actual ones on the liftgate does, but the others were gone. So I went ahead and decided to fix them. They weren't expensive. They was like $8 something a piece for the whole set. So they're pretty easy to change. We'll knock it out here as soon as we get some tools. Watch if I lay this on my head like an idiot and fight with these vice grips for 5 minutes. Ta-da! That's a shock. Yep. Winder shock. But seriously, take these things out. They're just like a little clip. You pop a screwdriver in, just pop it loose. And there's one on each side, and these things just pop out. It's a pretty simple process. On something. I don't know. I don't know what these are called. These are China's best, but they're $8 online. So you need a pair. That's the way to go. Look at there, fellas. Ramble. Stab myself with a screwdriver. More rambles. And the bottom one is the exact same type of clip. It was a little harder to get off, but it was the same type of clip. I had to get a different screwdriver than this big one to do it, but I got it off. Big point, keep pointing. Yep, that's it. And let's just whiz it to the floor with everything else. Now the new ones, you just pop them in. They just basically pop on. Now the second side's the exact same thing, just opposite side of the car. They're the exact same shock. There's no difference. To the floor. Look at that belly. She's a fighter. Now while I'm in here, I've got a wiper that needs replaced. I'm going to go ahead and change it out. Now this wiper you'll see here, it was missing the little clip that came with it. It wasn't in the box, so originally I was going to take the clip off the old wiper and put on this one, but they wouldn't fit on each other, so I actually had to take the rubber blade part out, put it on the old wiper off the new wiper, and make two from one. Now you can never change the wiper. They're simple. They don't even require tools. There's just a little spring thing that you can mash with your finger. Slide it off. Once you mash that in to press that, slide it off. You slide the whole blade off. It's got like a hook thing, and it slides off, and then the new one just slides back in place. It takes maybe a few seconds. Now, after I slid the rubber blade part back into the metal, I had to go back in just after all this, squeeze it with a pair of pliers or those vice grips I had together, and then it worked. This latch on the glass, I'm going to probably clean it or adjust it or spray it down with WD-40 or something. You have to slam it pretty hard to get to close. I'd say it's just dirty from setting. Also, these shocks, they came with the new studs that screw in, but the old ones on this one weren't in bad shape, weren't broke or anything, so I didn't replace them. I just put them back for in case we need them for something else, to be hoarded forever and just lay in the way usually. Oh, while I was at it too, I forgot to do an update. The engine out of this car, the old engine, we got a bunch of the parts for sale on eBay right now that we're not going to be using. But the old engine, we took it to the scrapyard with a few other little small aluminum things, like an extra water pump, and there was an old lawnmower motor that was blowed up here, and that was about it. We made around $100 just in scrapping that little bit. So we're already back $100 gain on this car from what we've had into it. So it's pretty cool. So if we can sell all these parts, we'll probably be another couple hundred, 2, 3, something like that. I'm not sure exactly. So, you know, this thing's turning out to be a real good investment. Can't wait to get it sold and we can get started on the El Camino.
All right, that's that video. Sorry about the sound. I don't know what happened with my GoPro. Like I said, we're up to 818 subscribers, so we're doing pretty good on the channel. And I didn't have a big long video to put out. I actually did. We were putting a bumper on my wife's Kia, and the part got a shadow there. Anyway, the part they sent me was for a 2-wheel drive one, and I have an all-wheel drive one, so they won't swap. So I had to order a new one, get it on the way. You'll see it in the next video. So it's not going to be here till Wednesday, so I couldn't finish her car. I was trying to do that for Valentine's Day, but it's going to be a week late. So instead, I'm going to have to do, I went ahead and done this little one. It's not very long, it's not very intensive, but it's something, kind of a filler video, I guess, as Rush Revival Garage called his last one. You go check him out. He's a friend of mine. He's pretty cool. But anyway, that's this video. It's just a little something. So hopefully we'll probably have one more on this Mazda, maybe 2. We got to clean it and put the radiator in, put the brakes on. I just didn't have time to do it today. And then that thing's ready to go down to the for sale sign in the window. I'll quit rambling now. But anyway, that's the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Just keep liking, keep sharing, keep subscribing. And rig up some sound or something so it actually works.